So what you'll see, you touch profile, then we go into the main screen. We're going to create a guest, pick a profile, and then type our name in. Next, once that's done, change your current settings, and then hit continue. Next, after that, it's going to make suggestions. Continue again. You can put your own height in, but there's no need at this point. Touch forward, and away we go. Next, hit continue again. Current position if you did it in your driveway, continue again. And now it shows that our profile's in here and our phone. Now we're done. Next, it's going to welcome us, and then we're going to see our profile in the top left-hand corner. We're going to tap that, but we're not done yet. Next, we go to general settings. Want to make sure that we can synchronize our contact profile. Then we're going to go to our phone. After we connect now, we go to our phone, hit start. Then we're going to go next. Hit next, which will then continue, and all our data, after synchronizing, is starting to transfer. Next, as it's working, which can take a long time, it's going to ask us to connect our profile, which shows up on our phone. Then we'll wait. It will connect. Once it's connected, it says we synchronize. We're going to say yes, and we will see our picture brought across and everything else.